Some devastating new reporting out of Texas this morning shows that Hispanic residents are dying of COVID-19 at the highest rate. In fact, Hispanic Texans make up about 40% of the state's population, but 48% of the state's confirmed COVID-19 deaths. Experts say there are several reasons for this, including systemic and cultural ones, that make this community more vulnerable to serious illness. Joining me now from Houston is national investigative reporter for NBC News, Mike Hixenbaum. Mike, good to have you with us, and thanks for putting a spotlight on this important story. But COVID having a devastating impact on the Hispanic community in Texas. Tell us about what you found out.
Absolutely. I think it's very important to make clear that there's nothing about Hispanic residents that predisposes them to catching the coronavirus. COVID is hitting these communities harder because of pre-existing economic and health inequities, and coronavirus is pouring gasoline on the flames. And part of that is in Texas, where a third of the adult population under 65 lacks health care. 60% of those residents are Hispanic, the highest rate in the country. And the lack of access to health care is part of the reason these Hispanic residents also have higher rates of diabetes and high blood pressure, which makes them more vulnerable to serious illness from the coronavirus. And Hispanic residents are also more likely to work in the service sector or live in multi-generational households, which makes social distancing more difficult. And what I learned reporting this story with Perla Trevizo of ProPublica is that your perception of COVID is very much shaped by the bubble that you live in. I work and report in Houston, and I can name a handful of people who've tested positive. And you'd hear similar stories from people living in mostly white and affluent neighborhoods. But when I talked with Valerie Martinez, a young Hispanic woman in a mostly Hispanic neighborhood, last week, she told me that she could name 45 people who've tested positive, 9 of whom have been hospitalized, and at that time, 4 who had died. And sadly, by the time our story was published this morning, that last number had grown to 5. And, similar stories are playing out. Data shows similar stories are playing out across Texas and the country.
All right, Mike Hixenbaum, thanks very much for putting a spotlight on that. And, of course, you can check out more on that important and powerful reporting from Mike in partnership with ProPublica and Texas Tribune on NBCnews.com.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.